In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twilio to Gohighlevel. Integrating Twilio with Gohighlevel opens up a world of communication possibilities, allowing you to send automated text messages and make phone calls directly through your platform. So, let's dive right in and get everything set up. First things first, you'll need to log into your Twilio account. If you don't have an account yet, navigate to the Twilio website and follow their sign-up process. It's fairly straightforward. Once you're logged in, locate your account SID and auth token. These two pieces of information are crucial for linking Twilio with other platforms, so keep them handy. They're like the keys to your Twilio kingdom. After you've got your Twilio credentials ready, it's time to switch gears and log into your Gohighlevel account. Head over to the Settings section. You can easily find it by clicking on the little gear icon, usually located in the lower left-hand corner of your dashboard. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Twilio tab. This is where the magic happens. In the Twilio Settings section, you'll see fields where you can input your account SID and auth token. Copy and paste these directly from your Twilio account to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to double-check these entries. Even a small error can prevent the integration from working correctly, so take your time here. Now that you've connected your Twilio account to Gohighlevel, you need to purchase a phone number. This number is what you'll use to send texts and make calls from within Gohighlevel. In the Twilio console, navigate to the Phone Numbers section and click on Buy a Number. Choose a number that suits your business needs. If you operate locally, you might want a local area code, otherwise, a toll-free number could be beneficial. After selecting and purchasing your number, head back over to Gohighlevel and refresh the page. Your new Twilio number should now appear in the Gohighlevel interface. Great job! You're almost finished. The final step is to test your new integration to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can do this by creating a quick test campaign within Gohighlevel. Configure it to send a simple text message to your own phone number. Once you've set it up, click Send and wait for your message. If everything has been set up correctly, you should receive the test message on your phone. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Twilio with Gohighlevel. If you run into any issues along the way, remember to check your credentials and the phone number settings. Both platforms offer robust support resources you can also utilize. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Gohighlevel experience. Until next time, happy automating!